Good evening, dear friends. Again, we are our in video class. Now I am here with the chapter Hack Driver from the footprint. The hack driver, as you have already read in the previous video, that this lesson is written by Sinclair Lewis. This story is narrated by him. In this story, the narrator Sinclair Lewis explains that after completing his graduation, he started working with a famous law firm in the city. There he was working as an assistant clerk. He was not very happy with his job of serving summons because sometimes he had to face harsh situation while serving them. One day he got the task of serving summons to Oliver Lutkins. Now, who was Oliver Lutkins? He was a key witness in a case. Oliver lived in a small town named New Mullion. The narrator was very excited to visit a small and beautiful town, but his excitement ended by the dull appearance of the town. When he reaches there, his excitement became low. He saw a hack driver at the railway station. The hack driver was standing at the platform. He was very cheerful and nice in look. The liar went up to him. Went up here means came near to him and inquired about Oliver Lutkins. As he was new, who was new? The narrator, means the liar was new to that place, to that town, and he wanted to find Oliver Lutkins. The hack driver told him that Oliver was a nasty man who took debts to many people. He also cunningly extracted information from the liar. He also, with a trick, took all the information from the liar for what purpose he had come there. And he knew that the liar needed Lutkins for some court case. After some time, a deal was cracked, a deal was set up between both, and the liar decided to hire Bill's hack and go on a search for Lutkins. After this settlement, after this agreement, Bill somehow traps the liar in his story and they visit different places in search of Lutkins. He always asks the liar to stay behind. This was his trick. They go to Fritz's shop to catch Lutkins while playing poker game. But he tells him that he has gone to Gustav for a shave. He has gone to Gustav shop's. It was a barber shop. At Gustav, when they reach, they were not able to meet Oliver Lutkins, and they were told that someone saw him at the Gustav for a shave. Someone told them that he has gone the pool room. Here also somebody said, when they reached the pool room, somebody said that he had left the pool room after buying cigarette. Bill described Lutkins as a cunning man and hoped that he must have gone to Gray's shop for save. It was also a barber shop. In this way, it was the time of afternoon, and in the afternoon, Bill offered him to buy lunch from his wife, as it would be less costly than at the restaurant. They had lunch at a place named Wade Hill. It was a countryside, very beautiful place. By that time, the clerk was totally impressed by Bill's nice and cheery behavior, good behavior. He had even started comparing village people to city people because previously he considered the city more good than that of the village one. Later on, they went to search for Lutkins again, and they went hack driver's home, where his mother behaved horribly, and they left the place as she was about to attack them with a hot iron rod. At last, the liar had to leave without serving someone to Lutkins. When he reached to his office, he was scolded badly. The next day, again he was scolded badly by his chief, and again he was sent to New Mullion with a person who knew Lutkins. After reaching New Mullion station, when they came out of the station, the clerk happily pointed out a person who was Bill, and he said that he was a helpful person to him in search Lutkins. At that time, the truth was revealed. The truth was in front of them by his companion, that the hack driver was nothing but Lutkin himself. The clerk felt so bad and ashamed of how he had been fooled by a villager. It means he thought that his degree was not enough in practice. Okay, this was a complete and detailed explanation of the lesson. I hope that you will get good understanding with this lesson. Now prepare the chapter wholeheartedly and learn the meaning of the lesson. In continuation to this, I would like to tell you one more time the character of the hack driver. As it is frequently asked in the board, write a character sketch of the hack driver. The hack driver was in fact Oliver Lutkins, as you have come to know, who introduced himself as Bill in front of the liar. He was around 40 years old and was a cheerful man. He was red-faced and was thick about the middle. The narrator found him to be a friendly and helpful man who offered to take him around in search of Oliver Lutkins. On the other hand, the hack driver cheated the narrator, deceived the narrator, and extracted money from him for his service. It means for taking him around the village in search of Oliver Lutkins. The hack driver was disrespectful to the law, as he was befooling the liar only to avoid accepting the summon which the liar had brought for him. He did not prick him for befooling the liar and for not accepting the summons. He took everything on a non-serious note. Next question. What did the hack driver tell the narrator about Lutkin's mother? How did she treat the narrator? Also a frequently asked question by the board. Answer to this question. Bill told the liar that he knew mother of Lutkins. He added that she was a terror. He described her as a large and hearty lady with a fierce temper. She was a quick as a cat. He narrated an incident which he took a trunk to her once and she almost took his skin off because he did not carry it carefully. He also said that she was very tall and bulky, she was very quick and could talk a lot. He said that Lutkin must have heard that somebody was chasing him and consequently would have gone into the hiding at his mother's place. This was a complete answer of this question. Some long answer questions are also frequently asked by the board. Lutkins openly takes the liar all over the village. How is it that no one lets out the secret? यानी लुटकिंस स्वतंत्र रूप से लायर को पूरे गांव में घुमाता रहा। यह कैसे संभव था कि एक व्यक्ति अपने सीक्रेट को छिपाए हुए उसी व्यक्ति के साथ घूमता रहे जो उसी की तलाश में आया है। Oliver Lutkins is easily able to befool the liar at all the places he takes him to. The liar does not notice that the fact that every place Lutkin takes him to, Lutkin is always the first to reach those places. He conveniently prevents the liar from directly talking with the people at these places. It is possible that Lutkin is able to take these people into confidence, due to which they do not reveal that the person pretending to be Bill is actually Oliver Lutkin himself. Moreover, Oliver gives a terrifying description of Oliver's mother to shake the liar's confidence. Even at the station, when he had asked the liar how much time he had to find Lutkins, the liar told him that he had to catch the afternoon train back to the city. This perhaps helped him strengthen his plan to take the liar around the town in order to consume most of his time. In this way, he always kept ahead of the liar and managed to manipulate him throughout his visit. One more question. Do you think the liar was gullible? How could he have avoided being taken for a ride? क्या आप समझते हैं कि लॉयर वास्तव में एक मंदबुद्धि था? अपने आप को कैसे वो बचा सकता था? It can be said that, answer to the question is that it can be said that the liar was gullible. He could have avoided being fooled if he had noticed the pattern of the hack driver in terms of avoiding. The liar at once go to have a direct interaction with all these who knew Lutkins. The liar could have taken control of the proceeding by asking the hack driver to step aside and by doing his work himself. Instead, he allowed the hack driver to take control of the situation. The liar was taken into the hack driver's pleasant and friendly nature, yet pretended personality, and thus, in this way, he was ignorant of what was actually taking place. So, this was a complete synopsis of this lesson. Again, I will send you some more question related to this question in PDF form. Thank you all.